Hi guys, today we're going to talk about rulers. We're going to learn this week about how to use inches on the ruler. I first want to remind you down here that we learned fractions on a number line. So we're going to review that because it's kind of the same thing. So let's pretend that this is the 0. We know that this is the 1. Here is the half mark. And then I'm going to split these again. And when I do that, remember, we count from the 0 to the 1. How many jumps? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this number line is divided into fourths so that we know that's the denominator. This mark here is 1/4. Down here would be 3/4. Now, I don't know if you remember this, but I'm going to refresh your brain. Right here would be 2/4, but we learned that 1/2 is the same as 2/4. Those are equivalent. So when we're talking about a ruler, we say 1/2. Now the ruler up above is split into more pieces than this. It has these tiny little lines here. In third grade, we don't use those lines. We only use these lines and these lines. That's why I'm saying 1, 2, 3, 4. We do not use the other tiny lines, but they're there on the ruler, and that's why you will see them on some of the rulers that you use in third grade. But we only use fourths to measure. So you have to really memorize 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, whole, because then you're at the next whole number. Okay, so let me erase this mess down here, and then we will do measuring to the nearest half inch and whole inch. Okay, so if we have something that starts at the 0 and goes here and lines up down here at this line, we know that it passed the hole, it passed one hole, and then goes a little bit farther to this line, which is the half line. So this line measures 1.5 inches because it passed the hole number 1. It went past the 1 and then went to here, and that's the half-inch line. Half. Here's this half. Here's a half. Here's the half between the 3 and the 4. Here's the half between the 3 and the 5, or the 4 and the 5. So 1.5 inches. Let's do another one. All right, let's pretend that this line goes from the 0 and goes the whole way down to here. It passes the 4. When it passes the whole number 4, I write the whole number 4 down because it's 4 and then this much more. And this much more is the half line. So this is 4.5. IN stands for inches.